Debt elimination with the debt snowball method. Debt can feel overwhelming, but with a strategic approach, you can regain control and work toward financial freedom. One of the most popular and psychologically motivating methods for eliminating debt is the debt snowball method. This strategy focuses on building momentum by paying off smaller debts first, giving you quick wins and the motivation to stay the course. The debt snowball method is a debt repayment strategy where you focus on paying off debts from the smallest balance to the largest, regardless of interest rates. While this approach may not save you the most money in interest, it offers powerful psychological rewards that keep you motivated. Start by listing all your debts in order of balance, from smallest to largest. Include the lender's name, the outstanding balance, the interest rate, the minimum monthly payment. Example: debt balance, interest rate, minimum payment. Credit card, a $1,000, 25%, $25. Medical bill, $2,500, 0%, $100. Credit card B, $3,500, 18%, $50. Personal loan, $6,000, 12%, $200. Commit to paying the minimum on all debts except the one with the smallest balance. Focus all your extra money on paying off the smallest debt as quickly as possible. Example: if your smallest debt is credit card A with a balance of $1,000, put any extra money, e.g., $200 per month, toward it while making minimum payments on the rest. Once you've paid off the smallest debt, celebrate your progress. Acknowledging this milestone is a key part of staying motivated and building momentum. Take the money you were using to pay off the first debt and apply it to the next smallest debt. This creates a snowball effect, where your payments grow larger as you tackle bigger debts. Example: after paying off credit card A, add the $225 original minimum payment plus extra money to the $100 minimum payment for your medical bill, making a total payment of $325 per month. Continue this process until all debts are paid off. As you progress, your snowball grows, and you'll find it easier to knock out larger debts. Quick wins build motivation. Paying off small debts quickly gives you a sense of accomplishment, boosting your confidence to tackle larger debts. Easy to follow. The method focuses on balances rather than interest rates, making it simple to understand and implement. Emotional satisfaction. The visible progress of eliminating debts one by one can help reduce stress and anxiety. Initial debt list. Debt balance, interest rate, minimum payment. Credit card, a $1,000, 25%, $25. Medical bill, $2,500, 0%, $100. Credit card B, $3,500, 18%, $50. Personal loan, $6,000, 12%, $200. Step-by-step payoff. Pay off credit card first by putting $300 per month toward it. Time to pay off: 4 months. Roll the $300 into the payment for the medical bill, $100 minimum payment. New payment, $400 per month. Time to pay off: 6.25 months. Roll the $400 into the payment for credit card B, $50 minimum payment. New payment, $450 per month. Time to pay off: 7.78 months. Roll the $450 into the payment for the personal loan, $200 minimum payment. New payment, $650 per month. Time to pay off: 9.23 months. Total time to debt freedom, 27.26 months, just over 2 years. Having a detailed budget ensures you know exactly how much extra money you can allocate to debt repayment. Track every dollar to maximize your snowball's impact. The snowball method only works if you stop adding to your debt. Commit to using cash or a debit card for new purchases and avoid relying on credit. After paying off each debt, reward yourself with something small but meaningful, e.g., a nice dinner or a day trip. These celebrations keep you motivated for the next step. Find ways to bring in extra money to speed up your debt snowball. Consider side hustles, selling unused items, or freelancing to boost your monthly payments. Debt repayment is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, even if progress feels slow at times. Remember, each small win builds momentum. Feature debt snowball, debt avalanche, debt snowball, debt avalanche, debt avalanche. Debt elimination with the debt snowball method. The debt snowball method is a debt reduction strategy that focuses on paying off debts from smallest to largest, gaining momentum as each balance is paid off. By paying off the smallest debts first, you build confidence and motivation to tackle larger debts, ultimately leading to a debt-free life. Focus on the smallest balances first, highest interest debts first. Motivation builds confidence with quick wins, requires discipline, but saves more money. Time to pay off debt may take longer due to higher interest costs, typically faster, as less interest accrues. Best for emotional satisfaction and staying motivated, financial efficiency and cost savings. The debt snowball method is effective because it leverages human psychology. Many people struggle with long-term goals that lack visible progress. By focusing on smaller, easily attainable goals, the debt snowball creates a sense of momentum and accomplishment that keeps you motivated. The debt snowball method is a proven strategy for eliminating debt while keeping your motivation high. It's particularly effective for those who feel overwhelmed by multiple debts and need a clear, structured path to follow. While it may not save as much money and interest as other methods, the psychological benefits can make it easier to stick to your plan and achieve debt freedom. Ready to take control of your finances? Start your debt snowball today and take the first step toward a debt-free life. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more contents. Proven strategies for debt elimination using the debt avalanche method. Debt can feel like a heavy burden, but with the right strategy, you can eliminate it faster and save money in the process. One of the most effective methods for tackling debt is the debt avalanche method. This approach prioritizes high-interest debts, helping you pay less in interest over time while accelerating your journey to financial freedom. Let's dive into how this method works and how to apply it successfully. The debt avalanche method is a debt repayment strategy that focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, while continuing to make minimum payments on all other debts. By targeting high-interest debts, you reduce the total amount of interest you'll pay, allowing you to get out of debt faster. Start by creating a comprehensive list of all your debts. Include the name of each lender, the outstanding balance, the interest rate, the minimum monthly payment, debt balance, interest rate, minimum payment. Proven strategies for debt elimination using the debt avalanche method. Credit card A, $3,000, 25%, $75. Personal loan $5,000, 12%, $200. Credit card B, $2,000, 18%, $50. Auto loan $10,000, 6%, $300. Arrange your debts from highest to lowest interest rate. In this case, credit card A, 25%. 2. Credit card B, 18%. 3. Personal loan, 12%. 4. Auto loan, 6%. Pay as much as you can toward the debt with the highest interest rate while making minimum payments on the others. This ensures that the most expensive debt is eliminated first, saving you the most money. Pay as much extra as possible toward credit card A. Continue making minimum payments on credit card B, the personal loan, and the auto loan. Once the highest interest debt is paid off, move to the next one on the list. Take the amount you were paying toward the first debt and add it to the minimum payment of the second debt. If you were paying $300 per month on credit card A, minimum payment plus extra, redirect that $300 toward credit card B once credit card A is paid off. Continue this process until all debts are eliminated. As you go, you'll build momentum and save more money in interest with each debt you clear. Save money on interest. By targeting high-interest debts first, you minimize the total interest paid over time. Faster debt repayment. Reducing interest costs accelerates your repayment timeline. 3. Logical and efficient. This method focuses on numbers, making it a great choice for those who prioritize financial efficiency over psychological rewards. Create a budget to ensure you have a clear plan for your income and expenses. Allocate as much as possible to debt repayment while maintaining your essential living expenses. Minimize or eliminate the use of credit cards and avoid taking on new loans while focusing on debt elimination. The goal is to reduce the total debt, not replace it. Although the debt avalanche method focuses on logic, it's important to acknowledge your progress. Celebrate small wins, like paying off a high-interest credit card, to stay motivated. If managing multiple debts feels overwhelming, consider consolidating your debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. This can simplify payments and reduce overall interest costs. Use apps, spreadsheets, or even pen and paper to monitor your progress. Seeing the declining balances can motivate you to keep going. Feature Debt Avalanche Debt Snowball. Proven strategies for debt elimination using the debt avalanche method. The debt avalanche method focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, which saves money in the long run. By following this method, individuals can gain control over their finances and work towards a debt-free future. Focus highest interest debts, smallest balance debts. Time to pay off debt, typically faster, may take longer due to interest costs. Emotional motivation requires logical discipline, provides psychological boosts with quick wins. Interest savings maximized minimal. If you're someone who values emotional motivation, the debt snowball method might work better. However, if saving money and efficiency are your priorities, stick with the debt avalanche. Let's say you have the following debts. Debt balance, interest rate, monthly payment time to pay off with avalanche. Credit card A, $3,000, 25%, $150, 21 months. Credit card B, $2,000, 18%, $100, 10 months. Personal loan $5,000, 12%, $250, 24 months. Total interest paid using avalanche, $2,500. Total interest paid using snowball, $3,200. By using the debt avalanche method, you save $700 in interest while becoming debt-free faster. The debt avalanche method is a proven strategy for eliminating debt efficiently and saving money. While it requires discipline and a logical mindset, the long-term benefits are undeniable. Pair it with a solid budget, consistent effort, and a commitment to avoiding new debt, and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Ready to take control of your finances? Start your debt avalanche today. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more contents.